This is a quick demo of the crop irrigation web-based agent, or CIWA in short. Here we are on the home page of the application. Here on the top right, we can go and upload an image. Here I have two images. One is enriched with metadata, and the other one doesn't have any metadata attached. So if I go ahead and upload the no metadata image and I extract the metadata, I get a response from the backend that informs me that the image doesn't contain any weather-related metadata. Here I will now try to upload a proper FLIR AX8 image. So I extract the metadata, I get a message from the backend. So here I have the metadata that a user should change if they are not appropriately calibrated in the camera. Here I get the chance to edit all this metadata, and if I upload the image to the backend, I get a message that the visible and spectral and thermal images have been generated for that particular image. If we go to the images, here we can see images that I have uploaded in the past. If we go to the last page, here we can see the new uploaded image. Here we get a nice overlay of the thermal overlaid on top of the visible spectrum generated image. And if I press this gear icon, we get this control panel. In here, we have a histogram of temperatures, and we get the number of pixels for the 1 degree interval, the 1 degree bin of the histogram. We can see that most of the pixels are around here, 27 to 32 degrees Celsius. From our intuition, we get that this is the leaf area, right? And the negative temperatures in here, all these the temperatures should be sky. On the top left, we can delete the uploaded image, download the temperature data, which I'll do right now. So if I open the file, we get a list of temperatures for each XY coordinate, and we get the RGB value of that pixel in the visible spectrum image. This is data that can be used as a generated dataset for another research problem. Here we can see the analytic metadata that are contained in the image, and here we have that image overlay again up closer with some explanations. And if I click this button, I initialize the FRN machine learning model. It's loaded with pre-trained parameters. Here we get that nice overlay. Here we can play around with that tree, and on the back end we can see that the model is running. This is the name of the model. This is the crop width and height of the image. This is the two number of classes of the prediction. It is sunlight, leaves, or noise. This is the path on the file server, the image path. So the model is loading right now, and it is generating the prediction. This is kind of slow. Okay, successfully generated the mask. Here we get the prediction of the FRN. On the right we have a bar that adjusts the opacity of the generated mask laid on top of the image. We can see that we have identified most of the sunlight leaves in the image, and we have successfully excluded the pistachio fruit in here, which is not included in the prediction. And on the bottom, we can see the mean temperature of the sunlight leaves, which is this area, the area of the prediction. And on the right, we can see the crop water stress index of that particular plant, which is slightly above slightly above 0, I'm sorry, which means that this is a well-irrigated plant that doesn't need to be watered anytime soon. So this is the functionality of the web app.